On this video, we got Blindfolded Oklahoma drills. We're gonna do a tournament with these 4 people.
Yeah. I can't play football this year. I have a 1.5 GPA.
Hey, turn Kim back on me. Let's go. Touchdown is the outside of the circle. Touchdown is the outside of the circle.
Ready, say go.
Huh. What is? The outside of the circle.
Eyes closed. Mouthpieces in. Ready, say go. Wait for it. Ready, say go.
Why do you keep going backwards, bro?
Touchdown.
The shot.
Eyes closed. Ready, say go. Oh. Damn, bro.
You almost had him. So I'm gonna complete the sweep. You're gonna see right now.
It's 4, right? 4.
Alright. Eyes closed. Ready, say go. Okay. He's out of bounds again, bro. Eyes closed. Ready, say go. Nice. Come on, boy. Oh my God. Got it.
He got him.
Where's Zito?
He cheating right out of bounds.
Alright. Ready, say go. Mouthpiece in. No dirty hits. No dirty talk. Now, say it. Come on. Ooh. Touchdown. Let's go.
4-2. 4-2. No.
It's only offensive position. Got ready. Alright. Have a clean game. That's it. So, I always go panic.
No. 4-2 game point.
See it? Dang.
You want faces or laces?
Call a nerd, Debbie.
Laces.
I said nerd. Spaces, Malik. Right there, buddy.
Bro, I gotta tackle this dude.
Nah, just wrap him up.
Alright. Okay. Shit. Ready. Stop. Okay. He can't hear you. Go for it. Get him. Go for it, Dad.
What the fuck? Yeah!
Talk to him. Oh, yeah.
There's no freaking way.
Nah, he different, cuz. He different.
Ready? Say go. 2-2. Oh! God! What do you do? All right, hey, put your feet down. Ready? Say go. Oh!
Riv, what's the call on that? Hey! Stupid.
Say go.
Got him! Nah, he down. He down. He down. 3-3.
Hey! Ready? Get up. Go!
What the fuck is this nigga doing? Got him. 3-3. Got him.
Hey, don't cheat, boy. Yeah, you gotta get on that back. Ready? Say go. Something. Drop on the ball and fail. Just keep going. Okay, baby, he's quiet because we don't.
Got him.
Ready? Say go. Get down. You can't tackle me, man.
So Devin, he's asking, can he bear crawl? I don't think he can. Can he?
No.
Say go. Go. Oh, shit. Go.
Nah, that count. That's a touchdown. Touchdown.
Hey, get on your back. Ready? Say go. Okay. Oh, next one. Ready? Say go. Oh, man, shit. Get shit. Oh, my God. Get him. No. Oh, watch out.
Game!
What we gonna do, right?
Start playing.
Hold on, restart. I'll exist. All right, so boom, this is what you gonna do. First round, he's gonna roll to the wall. You gonna run, get up and score. Second round, you gonna come to these ropes. You gonna swing on the rope, and then you gonna go score. Okay, all right. And then the second one, you just go. I'm gonna tell you where to go. I'm gonna say, go, Rob, go. All right. So when it's time to score, I'm gonna say, Rob, go score. Rob.
All right, yeah, that sounds good.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Hey, yo, all right, let's go. All right, so
What's the plan?
when I played him, I'm real flashy. So my best say is you, as soon as the ball high, you go get up. Real flashy. So he like to take his time to get upfield. So if you get to him real fast, you can stop the play.
What can we expect out of you for this game?
I'm gonna just play my hardest, consistently, do what I gotta do, just get better. You know, I don't care. Like I'm gonna win. He gonna down this field if he had to.
All right. What are your expectations for this game? What can we expect out of you?
I feel like I might just skunk him. If
You gonna skunk him?
I'm gonna skunk him.
All right.
He not good.
All right, let's go. Spaces or laces?
Spaces or laces. I'm gonna call it out. All right, come on. Space.
You gotta catch it.
No. We going. We love.
Oh, let's go. Oh,
Spaces. All right. You on ball first?
I'm on ball.
All right.
Make sure you have the circle.
Down. Say hit. Go. Get up. Go.
You got me over. Touchdown. You said it's
Ain't no out of bounds.
touchdown.
1-0. Say hit.
Damn.
Say hit.
Go. You already scored.
Ah, fuck. Lee, that's a touchdown?
All right, 2-1. About to be 2-2.
Say hit. Dang.
What are you doing, step bro?
Say hit.
Go.
Hey! That's... Say hit. Ain't no way! Say hit. Three up. Say hit. What the fuck?
He just disrespected you. He said, one more goal. You better watch it. You don't even need to stop. You just need to stop.
Hit.
Yup. Go for it. Yup. There. Go. Touchdown.
Ref. Redo.
What the footage? I called my
You challenging it?
Yeah, I called my challenge. No, you gotta call
The rule.
You ain't see it.
The rule of the field is overturned.
No. All right, bet.
Hold on.
After further review, the rule on the field stands. No touchdown.
Lane was called touchdown first time. Nigga, you the coach. It was a touchdown. You called it.
Say go.
Go.
Yeah!
Cold, boy. Hey, you coming back. Hey, you coming. Hey, coach.
Injury on the play.
My shoulder.
Take a knee for George Floyd.
Dear Heavenly Father, please bless Rob Dadget.
Please. Give me this ball. All right, I'm fine. Get out. I'm good.
He good now.
All right, guys, go.